I'm glad you could stop by today. I wanted to show you how to make some simple, fun breadsticks out of leftover hot dog buns. So let's get started. Okay, for this, you're just gonna need some basic things, some graters, a knife. You're gonna need a pan. You're gonna preheat your oven to 350. And you're gonna need some hot dog buns. Doesn't matter how many. I happen to have 3 today, so we're gonna do that. Again, heat your oven up to 400. And you're gonna need some Italian seasoning. This is a tablespoon. You're gonna need some softened butter. So take a stick of butter, put it in the microwave. I leave mine out for a little bit and then I just put this in for 10 seconds. It's a good, valuable thing. You can also get some Parmesan. So this is what we're doing today. All right, so let me grate the Parm here. This is so easy and simple, guys. You're just gonna grate the Parmesan cheese first. You know, you don't need too much, maybe like a tablespoon or 2. It's not that big of a deal. And this is my planer, and I'm just rubbing it out. I find that cheese that you grate is better. So my sweet, sweet mother-in-law today texted me, and she said, I've got a lasagna, I want to drop by. And since I was working, I'm like, absolutely, come on by, because who needs dinner, right? She was so sweet. Anyway, so that's what I have. So tonight for dinner, I'm doing just a bag Caesar salad. I'm making these yummy breadsticks, and I've got our lasagna in the oven. You're gonna hear it probably in a minute. All right, so all we're gonna do is first you lay out your breadsticks, very simply. And you can pull them apart. I'm just gonna put those on the TV tray very easily. All right, not hard. Were you with me? See how you lay them out? Very easy. All right, so that's that. Then you're just gonna take your butter and you're gonna dump it in the bowl with the Italian seasoning. Very easy. Now this is butter my husband makes fun of because it's Tillamook and it's from Oregon. And he makes fun of the fact that he doesn't think Oregon has good milk. They're not known for their milk. Anyway, he's probably right. But he likes his Kerry butter, guys, which I cook with a lot, but not today because I have this. So anyway, so all you're gonna do is smash in the Italian seasonings. See how it works? Very easy. You just cut it into the butter. And I just use a little fork. It's easy peasy. I'm just gonna make it so it looks good. You know, and this is so it's a stick of butter. And then you've got your tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Just want to get it mixed in together, right? Okay, I've also shredded, again, I've shredded my cheese. So, I don't know if I just said this, but it is cold out, guys. It is a wintry day. I cannot believe it. It's in the 30s here, okay? And believe it or not, it does get cold. The panhandle is probably gonna get some snow tonight, which we haven't seen since the 89. Since 89, I was in college in 89, first year of college. Anyway, all right, so let's do this. All you do then is you take this butter mixture and you just rub it on these hot dog buns. You want a good bit, you know, it's a good bit. You want to get it in there, okay? Easy. See how easy this is? You know, you could add some garlic to the garlic powder if you wanted. That would be fun. But anyway, this is just what I like to do. I love to do these with soup, a good crunchy little bit with breadstick with soup. And then you're just going to cook these very easily. They're going to get so crunchy. It's so wonderful. So the outside kind of gets crunchy, but the inside will stay nice and soft. And you're not going to believe this. It's the easiest way, and these are truly the best. I'll tell you what, I love the Publix hot dog buns. I don't know if you guys get those, but anyway. All right, I hope you can see all this. We'll see when I edit this how well it worked. But you know, so you got to make it easy on you guys. If you've got a sweet mother-in-law like me, or a mama or a neighbor who makes your meals, you know, who every once in a while drops by a meal, take it. Don't feel guilty. Use it. Use it for dinner. You'll love it. All right, so this is what we've done. We got all of our butter in there. Now, you probably can do that for 12, I guess. This will do, but you want a good slathering of butter on there. Right? Butter makes everything better, guys. Okay, now, then we're just gonna take the parm and you're just gonna sprinkle it on the top very easily, not a lot, just a little topping. This is so, with that planer, it gets so thin and small. It's nice. I like to grate my cheese. That is one thing. I don't buy pre-done most of the time. Now, if I've got a big bunch of people coming over, then yeah, I'm gonna do that. So, all right, these are the easiest breadsticks in the world. You can already smell all that good Italian seasoning. Sprinkle a little here, we'll take some of them. I might have put a little bit too much on there, huh? So this is what we're gonna do. Now gosh, there's that winter storm coming in, guys. All right, so now the next thing, easy peasy, you just slice these in half with your serrated knife. I've got the serrated bread knife, and actually it might be easier if you use a different kind of knife. Okay, just keep them together, just lightly. Just have to do it lightly. Maybe hold it in the center. That works best. Okay, slice these, so hold them in the center, and then slice it with your serrated knife. You want to go all the way through. See how these are going to be cute breadsticks? They're crunchy and they're good. I mean, now how are you spending your winter? What do you like to eat during the winter? Do you have some yummy, comforty kind of things on days like this? It is absolutely cold. It is also raining, and tonight where I'm living, it's supposed to be ice. I can't believe it. We're gonna have ice on the roads tomorrow morning. Thank goodness I don't work far away. I do have to go to work tomorrow. So anyway, all right, so this is a great dinner. So I'm gonna pop this in, 350, do it for about 30 or so minutes, and take a peek of it. So when I get it out, I'll show you how they turn out. But look, this is how they look. They're beautiful. They're easy peasy. They're the leftover hot dog buns. It's a great, I find. So I just took these out. They're gorgeous. I mean, I don't want to burn my hand. Aren't these gorgeous? These are so beautiful. Okay, so they're very crunchy on the outside. They're soft on the inside. My family loves these. I think yours will too. I hope you'll try these. And down below, I'll have the recipe. Thanks for cooking with me today. All right, hon, what you think?